Welcome students. I am Satish Kumar Sinha, physics teacher. Today we are going to discuss the topic pressure and atmospheric pressure. Liquid and gases can flow and are called fluids. Anything immersed in a liquid experiences pressure on it due to the weight of the liquid above it. Pressure exerted by liquids. We take an inflated balloon into a container of water. We will observe that as we push the button down and release it, the balloon moves up again. This is because of the pressure exerted by the water on the balloon. So as we apply the force on the inflated balloon and push towards the bottom of the container, then due to the pressure exerted by liquid, the balloons comes in the upward direction. Pressure in a liquid increases with depth. We take a tall can with 3 equal size holes at the 3 different levels. Now we fill it with water. We will observe that the jet from the lowest hole will travel the farthest because the pressure exerted by the water column is the highest at this point. This shows that pressure exerted by the liquid increases with depth. So as we move inside the liquid, the pressure exerted by the liquid also increases. A liquid exerts the same pressure in all directions at a given depth or at a certain height. The pressure exerted by liquid will be same in all directions. This activity shows that liquid exerts same pressure in all directions at a particular height. First we take one plastic bottle and make 4 holes at the same height from the bottom of the container. Now we fill this bottle with water. The jets travel the same distance because a liquid exerts the same pressure in all directions at a particular depth. Atmosphere. The envelope of air surrounding the earth is called the atmosphere. Atmospheric pressure. The weight of the atmosphere exerts a pressure on the surface of the earth. This pressure is called atmospheric pressure. Existence of atmospheric pressure. This is the first activity. We take a glass tumbler and fill it with water. Now we place a cardboard on the tumbler and place it on the mouth of the tumbler so that there is no air left inside the glass tumbler. Now we invert the tumbler and remove our palm gently. Then we observe that cardboard does not fall, water does not fall. This is because water exerts pressure on the upper surface of the cardboard in downward direction. And at the same time, the atmospheric air or air pressure exerts on the bottom surface of the cardboard in the upward direction. So this activity shows that the atmospheric air exert pressure or due to the atmospheric pressure, water does not fall from the glass tumbler Now the second activity, first we take a tin box having a narrow mouth and fill half with water. Then we started to heat with the help of gas burner. As the water changes into steam, as the water starts boil, then that is water changes into steam, we stop heating and close the mouth of the box with its lid. Then we added cold water over it. Then the steam present in the box condenses into water. So there is no air inside the box and the box gets evacuated. So here, due to the atmospheric pressure or pressure exerted by the atmosphere, the box collapses, it is crushed. In this figure, all of you see, as we added the water, then the shape and size of the box will be changed, that is crushed. So the can is closed, and when it is cooled down rapidly by pouring cold water on it, so due to the high atmospheric pressure from the surrounding, the shape and size of the box will be completely changed. Thank you.